Okay, so let's do a little bit of Zig. Here's some. So what I want to do with Zig. Actually, hold on. Let me see if I can. I'm gonna close the screen for a second. Close the screen for a quick second, okay? Because I'm gonna send a private message to my boy, Thorsten Ball. If you don't know, Thorsten Ball is the guy
Welcome
that did.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Okay. All right, anyways, sorry. I had a funny message that I was not prepared for. All right, here. Let's see. I'm going to find Thorsten Ball really quickly. I was just getting harassed in the DMs in the funniest way. It's just the most hilarious way. Anyways, so let's see. Hold on. Can you send me a PDF of interpreter book? I have bought it 2x. I don't want to buy it again. So I'm sending Thorsten Ball a message right now. Sorry. I'm gonna see if he responds. If he doesn't respond, I'll just buy it a third time. It's okay. He owes me a few beers. One of these days I'll meet him and he'll buy me a delicious dinner. I'm a log 10x developer. If that's base 2, if you think about it, that's still, you're still like a 3.1, or you're still like a 3.2, 3.25x dev. Like, that's pretty good. Log base 2 of 10. Whoopsies. Yeah. Hey, where the hell am I? There it is. Yeah, look at that. 3.01. Yeah, like, look at that. You're doing pretty good. Wait, point. Oh, whoopsies. I did that wrong. Log base 2 of 10. Okay, that's way wrong. That's log 2 of base 10. No, that's wrong. All right. Let's go 10. Yeah, there you go. 3.25, right? 3.32. Okay, close enough. Close enough. Yeah, that's pretty good, right? If you're a 3.3x engineer, you're doing really good. You're doing a good job. You're doing an amazing job. Keep doing that. He meant base 10. Ooh, that hurts. Never mind. You're not doing an amazing job. I would highly recommend doing something different with your life. All right, hold on. Interpreter book, interpreterbook.com. So for those that don't know, I'm gonna get this book again. Okay. If you don't know, the Primogen, all capital letters, will give you 30% off. I see $0, $0, no money. No money. I do not get a single cent from this, and that's okay. It is for you guys. Instead of getting money, I said, yo, you guys can have money. Unless if they may have my stuff here. They may have it in Kindle, so I'm going to turn this off really quickly. I swear I've already done this, but it looks like they have forgotten that I've done it, which does hurt a little bit. Oh, I wonder if I have it emailed to me. Hold on. I got the bundle in anticipation of the stream. Nice. An acquaintance of mine uses work as where instance to host personal Minecraft server. Wait, what? Oh, let me just look for this. Thorsten Ball, baby. Let's see. Dev tool time, dev tool time, dev tool time. What about this one? Do I have it here? I really would like to find this because it's the interpreter book. I know I had it. There's a link in your email. Okay, that's what I'm trying to find. I just don't know what it's called. Thorsten. Oh, yeah. Interpreter book. I must have a link here. Oh, my goodness. Interpreter book. Of course, it's just going to be absolute dog water to look for this. It's going to be just absolute dog water to look for this one. Interpreter book. Sorry, I can't let you see this. Interpreter book. There we go. Search for interpreter book. Ooh. Oh, nice. Both books attached. Oh, Thorsten. Good guy Thorsten sent me 2 copies of both ones. Nice. Let's go. Good guy. Send it to me in zip format. Not a good guy. Actually, I don't like him. I really didn't appreciate that. Coming at me with zip format. What do you want me to gun zip this? Okay. Hey, I'm Silicon Valley. We don't use gun zips. Okay. It's inappropriate. Inappropriate. People are not gonna like that joke. You know this is funny. Unknown suffix ignored. Wait, what? People ain't gonna like that. People ain't gonna like that. Hold on. Okay, so I think I got it. So, there we go. There we go. We're back in. Cat jam. Okay. Isn't it gunzip? Isn't gunzip how you do this? Downloads. Writing an interpreter. Go. Unknown suffix. Dude, okay, dude, how the hell do I use gunzip? How do I use it? Recursive, keep, last, test. Options, file. Unzip. Isn't it? Oh, it's not gunzip, is it? Is it unzip? Is it really unzip? Is it really unzip? Am I just... Wait, hold on. Am I just stupid? Extract all files except for Joe. Poor effing Joe. Poor Joe. Let's see. How do we do this? Unzip, Z. Modifiers, file, list. Extract files to pipe. No messages. Dude, I am so confused. Why? Oh, I have help in there. I was like, why did that just give me a help sign? Okay. CD, writing an interpreter. Dude, I was like, what? How did I just do that?
Welcome to Costco.
DG open.
I love you.
How did I do that?
Welcome to Costco.
Hell yeah, girl. Look at that. Ah! Isn't there like a way to do dark mode? Night mode, baby. Give me that night mode. Give me that night mode. All right, so this is what I wanted to do. For everyone to kind of feel excited, this is what I wanted to do here. I'm going to put a little marker in here, okay? Marker, because that took too long. Tech part. This is kind of what I want to do. This is what I I'm very, very excited about this. Let's see, why PDF when there's EPUB? I don't know. I don't even know what EPUB is. To tell you the honest truth, I have no idea what that is. Batman mode, okay? What I want to do is I want to go here and I want to go through the book Writing an Interpreter, baby, in Go. But instead of using Go, I'm going to use trace languages potentially. I'm going to start off with Typescript, language that I am the fastest at. Then I'm going to follow it up with Rust, the next language I'm fastest at. And then I'm going to do Zig. So I'm going to take all my learnings going through these languages and then get to Zig. And I kind of want to document how I feel about each step, right? Because everyone says that, you know, Typescript is the most ergonomic. Rust is like the greatest thing in the universe. And then Zig, we don't know. So I want to kind of go through these three things, like things that I really understand, things that I...
Oh, that scared me.
That did scare me, and I want you to know that now. That scared me, okay? Okay, that scared me, and I didn't like that, okay? I don't like that. I'm not happy with that, okay? I was in the middle of talking, Crimson Mana. I was in a soliloquy, okay? I was out here pontificating. Okay, why are you guys saying that this is an American stream because I happen to have a gunshot? Do you know, okay, do you know where that gunshot was from? Okay, that gunshot was from Tarkov, which is the most Russian-ass game you can have, okay? So quick, stop. Wait, no, you can keep calling me American. You don't need to call me Russian. For I am not a very good Russian. I am not a very good Russian. I am trying to be good American. There I am. I'm the good American. How's my accent? Is that a pretty good one? I have to talk like that too. This does not sound like Borat. Okay, Borat sounds like this. Yeah. Very nice. Ooh, very nice. Italian. Italian? You can do better? I can do better. I can do better. Do I need to make even more pronunciation? You sound like Gru. Oh my goodness. I knew it was going to happen. I knew I was going to get the Gru. This is Mario? That is not Mario. Mario? It's a me, Mario. That's Mario, okay? Tell me that was not a good Mario, okay? Tell me I should have been Mario. Chris Pratt, step aside. Better than Chris Pratt? Yeah, you're damn straight that was better than Chris. Okay, that was a good-ass Mario. Okay, I've been training for Mario.
Welcome to Costco.
Thank you again, Crimson Mana, for this entire distraction. And eventually I got to American and Russian and all that. Oh, my goodness. Suck it, Chris Pratt. Suck it, Hollywood's hottest male actor. Why is Prime calling him a hottest male actor? You know what? Stop judging me. Thank you very much, Hertz. K Hertz. I appreciate that. In French?
Welcome to Costco.
I'm so bad at French. I hit my head on the pavement. And now I forge. Le prom, le gens. Oui, oui. That was terrible. Okay, you're welcome. Well, je m'appelle Prima Jean. Comment t'appelles-tu? Okay, anyways, it's like Gru trying to do a French accent. Oh my goodness, I hate you guys. All right, here we go. We're going to start this with a brief little thing, okay? And here's the deal. Do British accent. I honestly don't know what Brits sound like. I don't know what your Brits sound like. I think I was doing a little bit of an Australian accent in there. I feel like I can do an Irish accent, right? I feel like I can do an Irish accent. But this is like a very stereotypical Irish accent. Like, I feel like I'm just like, if an Irish person were to think of what a French or an American person would think an Irish person sounds like, that's what I sound like. Literally, Jacksepticeye. Am I doing an Irish accent? I think... You don't want me to do a Scottish accent. If I do a Scottish accent... a Scottish? You don't even say the words in Scottish. I can't believe this is where this stream is. I can't believe this is where this is.
Welcome
this is
to
how we're going to do it.
We're going
to do a Scottish accent and talk about getting... Oh, gosh. What's like an Indian accent now? I think if I do that, I get called a racism, so I'm not going to do that. I don't know if you've seen what happens on The Simpsons. I don't know if you've seen The Simpsons and their whole debacle, but apparently the moment you cross the line and do that accent, you're out the door. Okay, I don't want to do that. A bit rough around the edges with a Scottish accent. 10 racisms. Gryffindor. Came for the zig, stayed for the zag. All right, what the heck is happening? I don't know. Shut up. Okay, we gotta shut up. Okay, here we go. Let's go to GitHub. This is actually turned into just a straight degeneration of human intelligence. Mr. Tokyo. All right, this is good. By the way, I don't know why you guys keep following me on GitHub. I honestly have no clue. Okay, what the hell's a pull the shark? Why the hell are you guys following me on GitHub? I produce nothing worthwhile. Like, literally nothing worthwhile. I pulled the shark, boys. That's why I have 4 kids, you know? Not gonna lie to you. There's a reason why I have 4 kids, and I'll just let me just say that it may or may not have something to do with the fact I pulled the shark. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to grab something. I pulled the shark. Not a big deal. Hold on. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, can somebody please tell me why on the global GitHub user rankings, why in the world am I number 109? Okay? I don't even make things. I'm about to cross Rich Harris, an actual useful programmer. Okay, there's Rich Harris, who makes good things, and then there's me, whose most recent suppository at this point, okay? You know what my most recent one is called? If this is in order, look at this. Left pad these nuts. Okay, this is my most recent activity. Okay, that's what you get. This is what you this what you want. Time to push him out to 69. I know the meme is yeah. You guys, it's disgusting. New suppository. Let's call this one let's see, TS Rust Zig. These. And create suppository. That's why we follow. It's a masterpiece. It is a masterpiece. All right, so let's go like this. Let's grab that thing. Let's go over here. I'm going to go to here. I'm going to go personal. I'm actually going to go. I mean, I will be real, though. My Sessionizer and Harpoon are very great. They're very good pieces of technology, and that's why you guys like me, okay? I understand. That's why you guys like me. I get it. You're a master. Like, I get that. Source, let's go like this. Cargo init, npm init, y, zig init, exe. I can't pwn the libs with this, unfortunately. There we go. So we've been initted. We've been initted hard, okay? Do a little refresh here. We don't want to target. We probably don't want zig cache. There's another one. Let me just, let me go in here and go like this. Zig run source main zig. There we go. ls. What do they create? Oh, gosh. Hold on. Let's go like this. Source zig that. Why didn't it run? Why did this not run? Here. Go like that. And let's go like this. Standard log info hello world. I need to understand more about zig logging. You know what I mean? Wait, what? Wait, ¿por qué, Maria? Wait, what? Oh. I was like, what? How did I get that wrong? Okay, there we go. So, isn't there some sort of isn't there some sort of zig cache? Why does it suggest the GitHub channel on YouTube? I don't know. I don't make the rules here. Oh, zig build source main. That's probably where you get all the stuff, huh? Is that where? Zig cache, zig out. Yep, you're right. All right, zig cache, zig out, node modules. Is that about fair? Then we need to go like this. npm I, give them the D, types, node, npm I, D, Typescript, TS node. Is there anything else? I think this is a good start. We have a good start, okay? Get status, get add. Let's see, make sure everything looks good. Get add that, get commit. And then let's go like this. Batman. Get push origin master. Bam. Batman. I would like to let you know, Pick, you taught me that. Pick taught me that because it's fun to remember the fact that Batman lost both of his parents in a horrible mugging. And that's how we remember it, by doing empty commits, because that man has no parents. And it's fun to remember that and laugh at him for it. What a loser. What a loser. Oh, Batman, Mr. Billionaire Loser. Any advice for a recap, as a fast recap for a Google interview? I have one in 4 weeks. You got to go hard on the data structures. What? What? My man, get blame Batman. Pick Dark Soul. I started doing this too. Thanks. Yeah. My favorite anti-bowling stream. Yep, this is an anti-bowling stream. Everybody, don't bully. Unless they're like a loser like Bruce Wayne. Sorry, Batman. All right. Batman should buy Twitter. I think Spaceman bought Twitter. He wasn't even placed in an orphanage. What a poser. Yeah, just spawn hundreds of Batman commits. Yeah. You can request a mock Google interview if you want. Get more practice. Oh, you can? That's nice. Maybe Elon is Batman. Doubt it. He's not in shape enough. Let's be real. You got to be in pretty good shape. Okay. Elon's not known for being in great shape. Okay. Like, I assume he's not chasing bad guys down alleyways. Okay. He would get too tired. He is. No, I'm not saying he is. I never said he isn't a shape. I'm not a shapist, okay? I'm just saying he's not in the shape that you typically would expect for someone who could chase bad guys long distances, okay? It's just not how it works. Shapist. I'm not a shapist, okay? I'm a realist. I'm gonna get canceled like Asmongold, aren't I? Did you see the thing with Asmongold? He got out there, and his statement wasn't even like that intense. Oh man, he had like videos, and people were so upset at him. What do? I think, like, to be completely fair, and I'll try to say it in the most Asmongold way I can possibly say it, he said effectively that if you want to be successful as a streamer, you got to be good looking, and it sucks, and it mostly affects women. I think is like effectively what he said. I believe I've fairly correctly accurate. He said, and it sucks, and it mostly affects women. And that's what he said. And, people, let's just say, well, I think what makes me, the bad part about it, if I'm going to do a moment of Asmongold here, is that he got raked over the coals because they're like, well, you're not in shape. And it's like, well, that's not, that doesn't make it less true or false what he said. He said something, and that's that, right? So, look at this sexy dude. Yeah, I know. Obviously, we know why I'm making it, okay? We know why I'm making it, okay? It's different on the Asmon side, okay? He's just really good at talking. Let's see. Okay. So all right. So, here we go. Let's start doing this. I don't know how accurate it is. I'm not even going to try to be accurate about it. I'm not going to pretend like I know anything. Did I put it somewhere? Wow. Hold on. XDG open. When was the last time I did this? Oh, crap. Where is this thing? It's in shoot. Find, personal, max depth. I always get this one wrong. 1, 2, grep, interp. Dude, I never get this one right. Is it 2? No. I literally never get this one right. There it is. Okay. I'm not going to even remember where you are, so I'm just going to go like this. I'm just going to be lazy. There we go. No, I unzipped it in not my downloads. You know what I mean? Here, let's go like this. Oh, I see what happened. Let's go like this. Let's move this to personal. There we go. XDG, open, personal, writing, and interpreter. Right. Okay, so you're saying EPUB? What the hell's an EPUB? Okay, I don't know what an EPUB is. It scared me. I'm just gonna open it up in shitty PDF, okay? I am the dance.
Hey Netflix guy, how do I deal with excessive spreading in a work environment?
So shockingly, that wasn't a D's nuts joke. I assume he means spreading the triple dot operator. The thing is that you can't describe you have to show somebody why it's slow and why you shouldn't do it, right? You should reserve it. You should reserve it for when there's an actual problem, right? You should do it when you want to copy. I get it. I use it for copies. Kegel exercise does help. I get that. Here. Dude, I keep closing it like that. Can I just do this? Is that how do you even open these things? How do people open these things? Okay. All right, so here we go. So we have this. We also need a we'll call it Lexer.ts, huh? Shotgun. PDF is a fixed layout. EPUB is HTML reflow on screen. Oh, great. All right, here we go. A lexical analysis. In order for us to work with source code, we need to turn it into a more accessible form and easy. I've already gone through this part. I think I made it up to like page 20 something. But we're gonna start this. All right. So what we need to do is represent our source code in other forms that are easier to work with. We're gonna change the representation of our source code 2 times before we evaluate it. All right. Hold on. Thank you for the follow. Light Lord was taken. Light Lord was taken. Interesting last name. Why is he writing an interpreter? In Go, I'm not. Oh, this feels like my uni assignment. This is not your uni assignment. All right, so first we need to transform the source code into tokens. This is called a lexical analysis, heavy on the anal. Lexing, for short, analyzing, for even shorter. It's done by Lexer, what is called a tokenizer or scanner. Some use one word or the other to denote subtle differences in behavior, but we can ignore in this book. Yep, tokens themselves are small, easy, categorizable data structures that are then fed to the parser, which does the second transformation, turns the tokens into an abstract syntax tree. Okay, cool. So here's an example. Awesome. Let's do this. All of these tokens have an original source code representation attached. Let, in this case, let plus sign. Okay, we all know all this stuff. Awesome, awesome, awesome. The thing about this example, white space characters don't show up as tokens. Awesome. This is not Python, baby. This ain't no Python. Writing Lexer and Go would be brutal. It's actually pretty easy. This book makes it really easy. But Google's, because I mean the thing is that when you're writing a Lexer, you're going one character by time, and that's almost universally simple in every single language, right? Will you implement an interpreter in Zig? Exactly, that's what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm curious about that too. We'll see how they handle it, right? Well, the AST rather, yes, okay. So the AST I can totally buy. I feel like Rust is going to be the easiest for the AST because you got the whole enum structure. But I wonder what Zig's going to be like because I'm actually curious how that works because I don't really know. Like, I don't know how to do, say, a homogeneous type. Like, how would you do that? How does Zig do a heterogeneous list of types? Iterators are fun. Tagged unions? You can do tagged unions? Okay. That was my question. I knew there was a tagged union. Okay. Because that's all Rust enums are, just tagged unions. Okay. Create your no. Rust ownership is kind of hard with tree structures. Exactly. That's what I'm just going to do. I'm going to do it very simple in Rust, right? I'm going to be doing a, what's it called? I'm just going to literally be doing RC ref cell, right? I'm just going to do it really simple. We're not going to try to do anything fancy. Just go as simple as it gets. A tagged union, effectively, you can think of a tagged union as this, is that you have a space of memory that's as big as your biggest item plus the size of an integer. And then your integer is a value, say, 0 to 10, or depending on how many tagged types you have. That represents what type the rest of the memory is. And so you're able to say, okay, this is number 3, so I'm the third structure type. Even though it may not use as much memory, it's pretty much that. They're fairly simple. I mean, they make sense, right? What will it interpret? See, no, language called Monkey Lang, I think. I can't remember. All right, let's get going. The first thing we have to do is define the tokens our Lexer is going to output. We're going to start with just a few token definitions and then add more when extending the Lexer. Sorry, Bisco, by the way. The subset of monkey language we're going to Lex in our first step looks like this. Okay, cool. Let's break this down. Which types of tokens does this example contain? We got let, we got identifier, equal sign, number maybe, semicolon, function I assume is a keyword, right? We got open paren, closing paren, comma, plus, opening, closing, squirrely brace. Okay, yeah. That's about right, yeah. The numbers are just integers, so we're going to treat them as such and give them a separate type. In the Lexer or parser, we don't care about the number is 5 or 10. We just want to know that it's a number. Yeah, the same goes with variable names. We'll call them identifiers and treat them the same. Now, the other words, the ones that look like identifiers but aren't really identifiers, yeah, those are called keywords usually. Yeah, keywords. Okay, we won't group those together since it should make a difference in the parsing stage whether we encounter a let or a fun. The same goes for the last category. Okay, so what are we going to have? We're going to have the following. Token, so he has token type string, token struct, which is going to have a type and the literal. Okay, so what does that mean? Here's all the different types he had right here. All right, so we just got to translate this to the various languages, okay? Write binary then. Have you written binary? Okay. I mean, don't make me binary solo right here, right now. You can't handle it. See, you come into this chat thinking, oh, I'm just going to make a binary joke.
That scared me.
Thank you, Hexagene. I appreciate the kaboom. Thank you. Alchemist, thank you. You got me. Prime is non-binary. Okay, I'm complicated. I'm a 4-bit structure, okay? I don't know what you call that thing. A quaternary? Okay, I got those 4 different bits, right? Yeah, you should benchmark the TS stuff with both with Node. And yeah, I'm going to be doing that. So I've actually been talking with Jared, the creator of Bun. We have a little private Discord chat, and we're going to go after it. A nibble. You guys want to just be so pedantic, okay? So damn pedantic, okay? It wouldn't be a nibble. A nibble is 4 bits, okay? You don't call a single bit a binary. You call it a bit. So when it's binary, that is the base type. And so this would be a quaternary, which would be a 4-symbol counting language, you rookies. Pathetic. Just pathetic. Okay? Let's see. I've developed a binary machine code for custom CPU. Oh, well, that seems pretty good. Quaternary? I think it's quaternary, right? Would it be quat or quad? I don't know. Quaternary? Not to be confused with quaternion. Nibble on my dict. Can your dict even handle a nibble? Probably not. Okay. Probably can only handle a byte. Pathetic. Nibblenary, quaternary, squaternary. Ooh, yeah. Quatosaurus. Ooh, I like it. Arch user alert. Heck yeah. Let's get some quantum computing up in here. What the fudge are you talking about? Okay, so it sounds like what we have is we have a type. Let's see. What do we have in here? We have a type, token type. So really, they have a token type is going to be equal to a string. Okay. I'm like programming. Lithium. Thank you very much. Hexagene. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Oh, these guys are going to give me a heart attack. Right on the money. Yep. Dude, Lithium was just sitting there. Oh, Kelly Clarkson. Yeah, I know. Oh, dude, I love that. I'm going to start yelling curse words, but actually have them as not curse words. Puka Baby, thank you very much. At this rate, Lithium is going to overtake me. He is literally going to overtake you, and that's okay, Bisco. All right, and then we have a token struct type. So this is kind of interesting because we don't really have struct types. We'd have like a class in TypeScript. That'd be like the closest you could really get, but we could also do it either as a class or an export type token. And have this thing just have properties on it, token type, and literal, which will be just a string. And then what we could have in here is we can actually export function, create token, and take in a token. So we probably don't want token type like this. I think we want something different for that token type, right?
Welcome to Costco.
Type,
I love you.
token type. But for now, we'll do this, right? There we go. Mateo. Thank you very much. Could you do an interface, right? We could do an interface, but I'm not sure if an interface seems odd. I'm not sure how I feel about an interface yet. You know what I mean? Let's go in here and let's have, so now I've never built, so this is kind of like the next step in my Zig evolution. I've never built something that has a file outside of main. I don't even know how to import a file. I don't even know how structures work. I don't know how packages work. I know nothing at all about this. So typically I don't use interfaces. Just typically I find interfaces to be a huge pain in the ass, and this makes perfect sense because interfaces can have the merging effect, and the merging effect is awful. Backlog of videos you posted to YouTube have been my entertainment for a while I build a React app from hell the past week. Oh, hey, no problem. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Welcome to the DGen Legion, my friend. All right, do a stream with the Zig guy. Andrew something. Andrew with a T. Is that it? Tellings? Something like that? I don't know. Anyway, so there we go. We have this could be one way. So, that's one way, whatever. I don't really care. Andrew Tate. Oh, okay. Is his name Andrew Tate? I've heard that name before. Gosh. What a familiar sounding name. Probably just a totally normal person. Okay, let's have a Lexer directory. Let's rename this index.ts. Let's also throw in here mod.rs, right? So let's toss in a little bit of a mod, right? And let's go in here and have token.rs. I like that idea. I like it. Pub mod token. Take that. Suck on that. And what do we need? This guy? Yep. And then we got to go mod Lexer. Yeah, there we go. So we have a nice little Lexer here. What do I want to put on Harpoon? I think I want to put on this guy for my Harpoon. There we go. Oh. All right, there we go. We got that guy. So let's start defining this in Rust. Now, Andrew Trait. Oh, Andrew Trait. I know there's a Rust joke somewhere in there, but I think the Rust Foundation would be offended even having an Andrew Trait joke, right? Lithium. React state management is out of control. That's not an L take. State management is tied directly to your tree structure of your UI. Shit's crazy. My Alexa thought Lexer was Alexa. Yep. All right, there we go. All right, so how are we going to do this in Rust? That's a great question. How do I want to do this in Rust? Well, we could have we could do a little pub. What do we want? Enum token. Probably is my guess, and we're going to probably want to just use this as like one of these. Am I right on that? Do we want to do it that way? And I guess this will contain all the types. And then we could have a pub struct token type. And we can have a token, which is going to have a type. Oh, you can't have the word type. I don't want to do that, right? We don't want to do that, do we? Token type. I'm going to start mixing up camel case here soon. Token type. And then we're going to have literal string. Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah. Yeah. Importing Zig. Let's see. Importing the .zig and Zig will give you access to all public fields in that file. I just did it. Yeah, I still don't know what it is, how to import it, though. Let's see. Hi. I came to say hi. Have you hit 2K viewers before? I have. I've organically hit 2K viewers a few times now. It's actually quite surprising that 2,000 people will watch this bullshit that's going on the screen. Oh, why not have the enum take a string? I mean, we could. The problem is if I do that, it's gonna look like this, right? It's gonna look like ident, right? Which is gonna be a string, and then it's gonna look like maybe number, maybe integer, right? Maybe then we could have like a I size, or is that just or is that gonna just be a string? Like, is it just gonna be a big long pile of strings? I mean, we could do that. Maybe that's the play. Right? I don't know. I guess I'll just try this. Right? We can do that. That's fine with me. Ident, right? We'll go through all this. That's lame. Ball of yarn. It's not maintainable. I'm not sure if any of them are maintainable, right? Because they all have to take in a string, right? They're all just a string. Right? They're all just a string. It's just awesome for Twitch, my dude. Yeah. iSize, I guess. Like, is it a tuple now? Do we got like a little string in value? Jeez. Nothing is maintainable. I know. I'm just going to keep it the other way. And I'm just going to go like this. I'm going to do this. I'm just going to have all the types right here. And that's that. I don't know if I want to just pass the word string everywhere. I don't know how I feel about that. I honestly don't know how I feel about that. Real talk, I'm not even sure how I should feel about this. I hate both versions. We're going to go the other way. We're fine. We're just going to go string on both sides. We're just going to do this. I already hate it. But I don't see how else to do this one that I'm going to like. We'll define the token types as little stringies right here. Okay, keywords, really. Okay, we can do that. Let's paste those all in. Let's go into here. Let's see. Do we do that? Let's see. This all looks pretty good. Let's make sure you're on the same line. This all looks pretty good, right? And let's go in here. Let's do one of these and have anything that starts off with one of those. And let's go like this. Let's go AG. And let's give him the D. All right, gave him the D. Equal that thing. Okay, that's not quite right. Put that back here. And then I guess what we need to do next, I don't really want to have capital letters everywhere. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually record a quick macro. We're going to go in here, and we're going to go, what do we want to do? A little GU word. Oh, crap, I have that thing overwritten. No. Okay, here, undo that. Do that. There we go. V word, U word, over, C that, string. I mean, I guess illegal, we could take that out later. Do that, go down here, and let's just... Okay, there we go. Ident, let's get rid of that. I mean, I guess that kind of works, right? That kind of works. My dude, you need to pest and peg this madness. No, we're building a Lexer. You could use a struct with the tokens as constants. You messed up the words, did I? Oh, I messed up the words. Wait, did I mess up the words? Yeah, I think I did mess up the words. How did I mess up the words? All right, here we go. Go here, VT that, space, U, F space, C, string for now, I guess. Oh, dang it, I'm still playing it. Dang it, I'm still playing it. Whoa, man, why am I being so bad all of a sudden? Now I have macro pressure, a very real thing. Dang it. Okay, hold on. I'm getting macro pressure. Calm down. This is very simple to do. It's very, very simple to do. Hit the macro. Go to the beginning. Step 1 over VT to the end. U, F space, C, that, string, that, here, down once, end macro, go, 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 go. How did that happen? There must be some space issues. Oh, there's some space issues, aren't there? There's some space issues. I know how this, yeah. Post-macro disorder? Yeah, we all have that. All right, so we have this thing. Fantastic. I guess this is everything we need, right? Huzzah. All right, as you can see, there's 2 special types, illegal and end of file. All right, we probably don't need those ones that have anything. All right, is that fair? I just don't... See, I find enums kind of a pain in the ass to work with. I love them, but I also hate them. Stands for end of file. Yep. Okay. So far, so good. We're going to start writing our Lexer now. Okay, so let's get this into the other languages as well, right? Let's get this into our other language as well. You made them all lowercase. Yeah, I don't want screaming case enums, okay? Screaming case enums just seem really annoying. Pain in the ass called it. You know you called it, Pick. Okay, Pick, you know for a fact. Strong pain in the ass vibes, right? You know all about that. All right, so there we go. Do one of these. Go here. G, get rid of those. Then we're going to record another macro. Go to the beginning. That. Down. That. Yeah. Oh, see, those were the ones that got all goofy. There we go. We got that. Go here, comma becomes a bar, go like that, and do that. Go here, Oh, hey, how did I not get something in here? Oh, shoot. What am I missing? I think I must be missing... Oh, well, we'll find out later what I'm missing. There we go. Now, the real question... Okay, so if you guys were doing this in TypeScript, would you use an enum or would you use an enum? Would you use a const or would you use a type union? You missed a dict? Trust me, no one's missed this dict, okay? A const? Typically, I'd use a const. Enums suck. Enums are just horrible horribles. Okay, please, enum, no. Enums are the worst. Okay, so I guess that's fine. So I'll go like this. Let's go like this. There we go. Do one of those. And let's go like this. Let's go yoink back paste equals back v space that underscore. Ooh, we don't do equals in this one. We don't do equals in this language. Okay, so it gets really screwed up on these things. Okay, so those ones it doesn't know how to handle. Turns out my macro abilities fall completely apart at that point. That's fine. That's fine. There's nothing I can do about that. There's nothing I can do about that. The old one-eye Kirby. This could be a one-eye Kirby, but there's not really, like, I mean, I could use the old one-eye Kirby here. I could take this and replace that with that and hit him with, oh my goodness, hit him with the G, right? And then I could take this thing and I could technically match. Actually, let's take this. Let's take that.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Take that. There we go. Take this guy and let's go. One-eye Kirby. There we go. Perfect. Got it. And I guess what we could do here is do like a, I don't know what it's supposed to be. The problem is I don't know the name, right? Plus, comma, semi, open parent, right? Close parent. Is that how you do it? Is it open or is it what? Let me guess. It's right and left parent, right? That's left parent, right? That's right parent. This would be left squirrely. This would be right squirrely. Why? Okay. What is wrong with my tree sitter right now? What happened to my tree sitter? It's right brace. I'm pretty sure it's known as a squirrely. Okay, tree sitter, what the hell is wrong with you? And you're indenting. This is not okay. Okay, how am I supposed to be recommending Vim when you do this? It's actually squiggly. It's definitely not squiggly. And so I'd go like this. I'd go key of this guy. There we go. Got him. The Vim experience. And there we go. And then let's go like this. Let's export a token item. I'm not really sure what to call this thing. Equals key of type of token type. It's gonna just be for my own personal usage. Just so I don't have to do that. All right, there you go. Not the key of type of, you got a key of type of, right? Because you're gonna want this thing to be that, right? That's why you want that, right? You want this right here. So this makes sense to use that operator because you got that. You got that thing. Oh, as const. You're right. As const. I forgot that little thing. So there you go. Beautiful. All right, then you can also do lithium. Lithium. Remember, we talked about this, okay? I said it's okay to do this when people aren't necessarily watching, you know, because it's supposed to like be me and you time, you know what I'm saying? And then now you're coming in here like this and I don't know how to handle my emotions. I'm sorry, I forgot again. I know you did. Wouldn't you have the values instead the key as types? Yes, you would want the key. Dang it, you're right. So what is that one? Is there like a value of what? How do you get these things? Right? How do you get those things? I don't know how to get those things. What is the TypeScript way to get the values? You're right. I totally was wrong. Hear me out on this. Union type. Key. Wait, no. Thank you, Lithium. His private cam mode is off. Tipping you at the wrong time, I know. Type of ABC key of type of. That makes sense. Okay. Yeah, I see that. Okay, perfect. Okay. Got it. All right. That makes sense. TS experience, I know. That makes sense. This makes sense, everybody. That makes sense. It does. Okay? That makes sense. Okay? Trust me. All right. How about, I don't know what to call this thing, so I'm just going to call this one, I guess I'm just going to call this thing Lexer.zig, because I don't really know what to call. I'm not really sure how to organize my files in the Zig world. I really don't know what to do here. So I'm not really sure how to do an enum. Is there enums, enum in Zig? Is there Zig enums? Is that a thing? Or are these shitty enums? These are shitty enums, aren't they? This is one of those shitty enums, aren't these? No, enums it sucks, remember? I never used them in this one. Enum to int. Okay, we don't want to do that. Is there anything else? Shitty enums, just basic enums. Oh, what is a shitty enum? It's just a standard enum. Wish.com enums. These are, yeah. I want a union. Okay, so how do we do it? We need a union. We got to use a tagged union. Okay, so where is a tagged union? Tagged union. That's what I really want. Const enum. See the shitty unions. Tags union. That's what we're talking about, boys. That's the one we're talking about, right? There you go. That's the one we're talking about. That is what we call a not shitty union, okay? Or not shitty enum right here. So let's go like this. Let's take out this thing. And let's put that on there, right? That should be right there. I'm going to, no, do we want that one? Yeah, I think we want that one. Okay, we're going to put that in here. Go 13 down, hit him with one of those, apparently. That is like the way to do this. Hit him down here, go here, do that, that. Oh, I put a G in there. I didn't mean to put a G in there. All right, there we go. Complex enums, there we go. And let's do one of those. And I guess I'm doing a string for all of them. Am I just doing a string for all of them? Is that what we're doing? What is that? That's a const. That's a const u8. Is that what it is? Is that a string? Is that what a string is supposed to be in this thing? Is that what it's supposed to be? I don't know. A const u8. Oh. That's a string. This still feels shitty. Because they're not actually, like, it's not an actual value. Oh, I don't need it to be an actual value. This is just the inner string. Yeah, this is perfect. I mean, technically, illegal and end of file don't need those. But everything else is pretty good. Okay. This language is weird. Yeah, Zig my father. So these ones have them all defined. This one doesn't have them all defined. So, whoopsies. So only TypeScript is the one that needs them technically defined. The rest can use tags. Okay, cool. You are missing the let token. You're a let token.
Welcome to Costco.
Suck on that one.
I love you.
Suck on it. Suck on it, Zig me daddy. We're trying. There we go. Okay, so we're just kind of getting the initial things done here. Let's get a little one of these. Personal code. There we go. Okay, I can't do that. I can't do that. I didn't realize that it went there. I thought I put it one place backwards, but apparently I put it in this directory. Can't do that because I don't want to accidentally put all of his stuff out in the public. You know what I mean? Feature Lexer initial commit. There we go. Perfect. Git push origin master. Perfect. Is the project using Git, SVN, Mercurial, or Sagandi? Oh, great question. Honestly, Sagandi feels the best, but I think we went with Git this time. Real talk. Please don't link your tokens to GitHub. Which tokens? Is this how the sausage is made? This is how the sausage is made, boys. Boys, this is a sausage making stream, okay, boys? You know what we're going to do? We're going to go to twitch.tv, Even though I want to keep on going, I got to go back to work. I am so far. I'm like behind now. Should we do a trash dev? Oh, look at this. Look at Trash being thirsty. Netflix engineer talking about tech stuff. Dude, he barely works at Netflix, okay? I had to pull this guy's Jira access on the daily. Lithium. I turned it down so I wouldn't blast you guys. Lithium. What are you doing? Lithium, thank you for paying for my well. Lithium, thank you for paying for my well. I would just like to let you know I've made my first official payment. My first official payment for the well went out today. I am 10%. No, less than 10%. I am a percent, not quite where I want to be done with the well. Thank you, Lithium. Lithium, thank you for that. For paying for the well, Lithium. Appreciate that. Isn't that nice? Well, isn't that nice? Well, isn't that... Are you doing like a church lady? Look at this. He's getting some follows. Trash is getting confused. He's like, Primogen is streaming your stream. Go to his stream. Why would you say that, Captain Beard? Sorry. Hey, Trash. You know what? Hey, Trash. I didn't realize that Captain Beard was going to come in here. Oh, yeah. Get him, Trash. Trash, do that. Yeah. Give him the Netflix engineer. Give him that Netflix engineer, Trash. Yeah. Get him. Get him that. Get him, Trash. You get him deep. You get him. You give him that. All right. Everybody, Trash Dev, you're about to go to this guy. Okay? This guy's a good guy. Go to this guy.